Right. Okay. Is it 4 o'clock almost? Okay. Give everyone a chance to join. Okay, so I have Descript ready to go. Next time. All right. No, I'm straight. All right, I'm live. Happy Friday. It's not 4 o'clock yet, so I'm going to give everyone a chance to join. All right. And get my slides and everything together. Hey, Heather. Oh, you're the first one. Hey, boo. Okay, 1 second. Let me make sure. Okay, I think I want to share on the screen here. Super excited. Oh, hey. Okay, CAU showing up. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, oh. Okay. All right. So it is 4 o'clock. I am live. I got some great content for you all today. So I'm super excited. I'm not going to wait for everyone to dive in because I do not want to go over, but this will be available on replay in case we missed some folks, but that's great. I just got some great stuff. So I'm just super excited to get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything set up. Let me get my camera, the angle that I want. See that CAU degree right there? Yeah. Shout out to Clark Atlanta University. All right. So, welcome everyone to my live training on embracing AI. AI as in artificial intelligence. So, super excited to share with you all some of my favorite tools, as well as just some tips and tricks that I've learned along the way. Of course, I cannot go into all of them in 30 minutes, but we will have additional trainings like this. And as I'm learning, and and as things are like rapidly, just growing, and just like the bubble has burst when it comes to the all the great things that AI can do for us today. So I will definitely have additional trainings, but I'm going to go ahead and jump right into this one. So let me share my screen. Okay, Lexi, do not bark. Okay, all right, so I'm going to share this window. All right. So let me go here. Oh, don't start there. Go to. Okay. So let's see. I think this is good with me right here to the side. Make my screen bigger. All right. So I want to introduce myself before we get started. My name is LaDonna. Hey, Mom. My mom just joined. My name is LaDonna Johnson. I'm a technical business consultant. I specialize in helping online businesses and entrepreneurs broaden their customer base and increase their online presence and revenues using the latest technology, as in AI, which we're kind of going over today. I'm a tech pro. I've been in the game 20 years. Have plenty of experience in software development, web development, mobile app development. I have strong technical skills, as well as business expert. I've developed corporate websites with 76 million visitors. I've incorporated modern tech to elevate product offerings for large corporations such as HubSpot, WebMD, Domino's Technology, Dollar Tree Corporate, and Morehouse College. In addition to my corporate experiences, I'm also a serial entrepreneur. I've excelled in digital marketing, managing campaigns, and optimizing websites for small to medium sized businesses. Whether it's for large corporations or for small businesses or startups, I'm all about turning visions into online successes. So today, I'm going to be teaching you all about artificial intelligence. So, we're going to talk about embracing AI and the top 5 tools that will help you save time and money. All right, some of the tools that we'll go over today. Of course, I'm going to start with ChatGPT because that is the most popular and widely used. And to be honest, that's the one that kind of broke the mold and has got us even talking about AI today. Talk about Beautiful AI, Descript, InVideo, and Kaiber, just to name a few. If we have time, I have one fun one for travel that I really like as well that I might be able to show. Sound good to everyone? Give me a thumbs up if you're with me. All right. Okay. So before we jump right in, let's just start with a glossary of terms. AI stands for artificial intelligence. This is the ability for computers to learn from data and perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. ML, that stands for machine learning, and that's the ability for a computer to improve its own ability to solve a problem or perform a task without a human actually having to program it. So it's teaching itself. You'll hear the term GI, that means generative intelligence. And that's when the technology, that's the technology that uses AI to produce various types of content. So this could be text, it could be images, it could be audio, video. All of that is considered generative intelligence. Um, RPA. Oh, what is? Goodness. I had that written down. But basically, like this is robotics. Oh, I'm sorry, I don't have the acronym in front of me, but I'll edit that out. But that's basically the um, robotics version of AI where they're actually performing tasks that emulate humans. So not just giving you information and data. This is actually taking input and performing tasks. So a lot of like robots and things like that that you'll hear about you'll hear that term RPA. Conversational AI, that's enabling computer-based programs to understand, process, and generate human language. For example, chatbots. And chatbots are basically the little like mini robots that you can interact with and kind of help you do simple tasks. Very simple. All right. Okay, so let's start with Chat GPT. Now, Chat GPT, it's been in the works for a while, but it was actually launched on November 11th. It was 11/11/22. And that's what like pretty much just like broke the mold when it comes to AI. That's what's got everyone all in a frenzy. Everyone wants to learn. Everyone, super excited about AI because of Chat GPT. Now, AI has been around like for decades, but this particular app, I would call it, which is built on Open AI platform, is actually what just the buzz is all about. So, Chat GPT is a conversational app where you can enter text and it'll respond with follow up questions. It's been trained with a huge amount of data, so it's very knowledgeable. It's very helpful. It'll provide explanations. It'll summarize long text. It can write code. It can assist you with many tasks. So it's a really great tool, and we're actually going to have a demo of that. So I'm really excited about that. Just to give you some tips before we jump right into the demo. So Chat GPT, I mean, it's very simple and easy to use. So these are just some tips that will help you get the most valuable information out of it. So definitely you want to use punctuation, break up your text with punctuation, make sure that it's clear when one thought ends and another begins. So commas and periods at least. Um, Order doesn't matter. You don't need to use parentheses or brackets. It's great to use please and thank you. Please give me a list of R&B artists from the 90s. And we don't know exactly why. I don't know. It's just, I don't know if it's a myth or what, but supposedly they're listening and they're keeping track of who's polite and who's not. So just be nice. We don't want like a Terminator situation. All right. So yeah, be polite. What you put in is what you get out. So if you put in gold, you're gonna get out gold. If you put in crap, you're gonna get out crap. So, put in good information, be specific, try to use as few unnecessary words as possible. You don't have to use complete sentences, but I do have a formula that I want to show you that really helps because it's very detailed and you can get exactly what you want out of the chat GPT. Also want to remind you that chat GPT remembers things that are discussed. So if you ever are in this long conversation with chat GPT because you're asking it things over and over and over and you're not getting what you want out of it, just ask it to start over. Start a new conversation, start fresh and new. Some advanced chat GPT tips. You can use chat GPT to rewrite text. I'll show you that in a second. You can train it to understand your chain of thought. So if you want to say something like, if I would like to give you a voice to add to my prompting. So, as you're creating your content, and I'll show you all of different ways that you can use it, but you could train it. You could say, okay, I would like to use the voice of a professional marketer for the rest of our conversation. And from then on, everything that you ask it, you won't have to give it another tone of voice because now it knows you want to use the voice of a professional marketer. Now, if you say, I want to use the voice of a, rapper from Atlanta, then, all the, everything that you get out of that conversation is going to be in the tone of a rapper from Atlanta. So it's easily trainable that way. You can also train it with direct commands. You can say something like, never leave the parameters of what I have described. So for example, after you've given it this tone of voice, you could say, never leave this tone of voice until I use the word unicorn. Things like that. So, easily trainable. There are extensions that you can add into your browser in Chrome that makes it a lot easier because you can actually like grab URLs and pull it into chat GPT and ask it to rewrite this the text on this URL, rewrite this article. And if you don't know something, you can always ask it. So that's some of the great things about chat GPT. Now let's jump right on in. Okay, so I'm actually going to start with, okay, no, not that one. Okay, so let's start with a fresh prompt here. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you log in, and you just simply have this area where you're going to provide it a prompt. So I'm going to say something like, please give me a list of the best AI tools available. Now, this isn't very specific, so we'll just see what it comes back with. Okay, certainly. All right, and this is a list of tools. I didn't tell it how many. I didn't say what type. It's just giving me a lot of tools, and none of these are on my list. So, yes, so you see it go. All right. So if I like this, I can like, okay, that's good. If I don't, I can ask it, could you do it again? Like I don't really like that one. Let's see if it comes back with anything different. No, not too much. Okay. So let's try that formula that I just told you about. So let's try this. Okay, I'm gonna use the same conversation. Okay, so now I'm gonna be more specific. Okay, so my details, I'm gonna say the same thing. Please give me a list of the top 5, let's see, AI tools used for marketing. Let's be specific. Okay, and let's say I want to make it mm, one page. No, I want, yeah, one page. I think that's good. Okay. Tone of voice. I'm gonna be specific. I'm gonna say uh, professional. And some keywords I'm going to use, let's see, sales, let's see, marketing, that's lead generation. All right, and period. All right, let's see what it comes up with now. All right. Okay, here we go. So as you can see, this is a little more specific. So it's a little more specific. But let's just to play around with it, let's change the tone of voice to an Atlanta rapper. So please change the tone of voice to an Atlanta rapper and target, let's see, target other rap artists. Matter of fact, let me be, please provide the same list. Please provide the same list, comma, but change the voice to an Atlanta rapper and target other rap artists. Okay, let's see what it comes up with. Yo, okay. Yo, check it, fam. We're diving into the sickest AI tools in the game that's transforming the marketing hustle for sales and lead generation. Okay, that's its version of an Atlanta voice. Okay. So yeah, so that's Chat GPT. I'm gonna move on because we don't have a lot of time, but it's a lot of great things that you can do with this. So definitely wanted to start there. All right. So the next tool I'm going to show you is Beautiful.ai. So Beautiful.ai is actually the tool that I use to create the slides that we're looking at. Some of the benefits of Beautiful.ai, it designs beautifully designed, well, I'm sorry, it has beautifully designed templates. You can automate it, automatically generate images. You could actually automatically generate content. Um, you can actually use AI to create the entire presentation. You can use it to create specific slides. Like I actually use the AI tool to create this slide. So I'm going to show you that really quick. So let's come out of here. All right, I'm going to create a new presentation. So first thing we're going to do is let's just create a new presentation completely using AI. So you can actually talk or type. I'm going to talk. Let's just see. Please create a presentation about the benefits of using artificial intelligence for marketing and sales. Okay, and so this is no. Sorry, it was still listening. I didn't know. Okay, let's see. All right, so it's plotting out the narrative. It's curating this visuals, it's gathering data. This is pretty cool. Like, let me tell you, like I've spent hours creating slides at times, and like this can be done like that quick. It does the research for you, it finds the images, it creates a design. Like, this is just amazing. Okay. Even a conclusion. Okay. And oh, one thing I didn't mention when we were talking about Chat GPT, but I'm gonna mention it here. Now, when AI creates content for you, it's best for you to add your own voice, make it your own. Just don't copy and paste. Like, actually take the time to edit it, and so it doesn't sound as roboty. There's actually some tools out there that you can use to copy your content. If you're going to place it on the internet, you want to copy your content in the tools and see how it ranks as far as whether or not it's like too AIE, too robotish E, because Google actually dings you for AI content if you use it on websites and things like that. So anyway, as you can see, it created these beautiful slides. I can now easily change the colors. I've added my own colors to the theme, so I can, easily change the theme. I can easily edit. I mean, it's just so powerful. If I want to add another slide, I'm going to make another slide with AI. Okay, please. Okay, one second. So I'm gonna speak this one into. Oh shit! Wait. No, I'm not ready. Wait, it's listening too long. Wait. Okay. All right. Hold on one second. Okay. All right. Be quiet. Please create a slide with the benefits of using a sales AI tool with images. And let's see what slide generates. Here we go. I mean, I don't really like it, but okay. And oh, another thing, you can easily search for images. So let me just find images of money, because sales mean money. Okay. So you can search for money, images, and it'll bring up all different types of images. Oh no, that's not a lot of money. Never mind. But anyway, so yeah, so this is the beautiful AI tool. So let's go back to our presentation. Okay, so we can do Chat GPT, beautiful AI. Okay. All right, someone on Facebook. I can't see who. There's someone on Facebook that I can't see, but yes, so this is your first time seeing beautiful AI. Yes, it is awesome. Okay. The next one, this is actually one of my favorites. Okay, this is a video editing tool. It's called Descript. One of the benefits of Descript, well, I mean, it's powerful because you can actually edit the text of your video, the transcript, and it will edit the video. And let me show you exactly what I'm talking about, because this is game changer. Okay, I'm gonna have to stop sharing this screen. It looks like we might end up going over because, yeah, this is taking a little bit longer. Okay. All right. So let me stop sharing. All right. Yes, this will be available for replay. on LinkedIn and Facebook. On Facebook, it'll be on my business page and within my group. So if you cannot make it for the whole thing, you just make sure you join my group so you can get all this great content. Okay. Let me move this over so you all can see my screen. 1 second. Oh, come on, Descript. Just move. So many screens open. Okay, here we go. Can't I see it? Lots of screens on. Sorry, 1 second. There it is. Okay. All right. So, make this one. I don't know what video this is. Okay. 1 minute. Okay, so yeah, so Descript, it not only does it allow you to edit the script and like remove words. There's just so many, you can remove filler words. There's just so many great things you can do. Okay, so I'm gonna start with, is this my project? Where's the one I just this one. Which one do I want to use? I think I want to use this one. Okay. All right, we're back.
Removing ums, uhs, and other filler words from a recording is easy with Descript. Step 1. Record something or drop in a file that you've already recorded. If you don't already have a file, click on the media library icon at the top of the editor.
Okay, I don't need you to tell me how to do it. I know that part. Okay, so let me click on my video. Okay, so this is a video of the training that I had last week. All right, I am live. Welcome. Happy Friday, everyone. I'm so excited to be here. Okay, I'm not sharing the screen yet, so you guys can't see that. Hold on 1 second. Where I lost you. Where is StreamYard? There it is. All right, I'm back in the game. Here we go. Sharing this window. Okay, so this is the video that I recorded last week. And this video needed a lot of editing. Like before I actually reposted it, I spent hours and hours and hours editing it. But that's because that was before I knew about this great tool. So Descript, the top things that I love about this, number one, you can remove filler words. I use a lot. I didn't realize how many times I used until I, listened back to my videos. I'm like, oh no, let me take that out. Let me take that out. So it can remove filler words. It can remove space. Like you just have this extra like silence in between your speaking. You can remove that. You can just actually remove words, and then it will remove that from the it'll remove that portion of the video. So let me just give example. So let me scroll down some. Okay, so this, I'm gonna just play this here, right? So welcome everyone to the Elite Tech Leaders live training. This will be a weekly training. I will host this every Friday. Today's topic is going to be the Agile Advantage. I'm your host, LaDonna Johnson. Okay, so let's just say I want to remove, can I change this? Maybe I'm gonna just change this. No. Okay, can I replace it? Overdub, let me see. I'm gonna replace it with Thursday. This is my first time trying it. Okay, so let's play this back, right? And see. So, welcome everyone to the Elite Tech Leaders live training. This will be a weekly training. I will host this every. Today's topic is going to be the Agile Advantage. I'm your host, LaDonna Johnson. Okay. I have 20 years of experience in software development. All right. So anyway, that didn't work. But you can actually record your voice, and when you want to replace a word or add a word, it'll go back to the recording that you have and generate that sound based on your voice. I haven't completely programmed this yet, but that's a dope tool. So anyway, I'm gonna just remove this whole sentence. Okay, so I'm gonna start here again, play. Oops, no, just play. So, welcome everyone to the Elite Tech Leaders live training. Today's topic is going to be the Agile Advantage. I'm your host. As you see, it skipped the whole, I'll have this training every Friday. So, that's one of the great things I love about this. Okay. I'm going to remove the filler words. So now, let's see. I think I just actually, no. I think I gotta find some. Or okay, let's start with like removing this extra space. Okay, so right here, goals. I'm certified as a Scrum Master. So you see that long pause? I want to remove that. What was I doing? Thinking? At least I didn't add an. Okay. I'm certified as a Scrum Master as well as a product. Okay, so go back here. Use my gifts and talents to help your teams accomplish your goal. I'm certified as a Scrum Master. Yeah, so lots of great tools. There's actually a tool where if you're not looking at the screen, like let's just say I'm like reading from another screen, it will actually adjust your eye contact to make it look as though you're looking at the screen. Like, dope. It's like just some great features that will save you a lot of time if you're trying to create professional videos, like great for editing. So let's go on back. Another one that I love is InVideo. InVideo is um, a video creation tool. So you can actually start, let me stop sharing this screen. Okay, let me start to share. So I'm going to show you just really quickly because I see that we're over, but this is some good stuff. Okay, so InVideo allows you to generate a script, scenes, and voiceovers for any video. It's easy to customize. You can actually add instructions such as like target audience, platform, tone of voice, interactivities. So I'm going to show you a video that I created, and I'll show you how I created it. So. Okay. So to create this video, all I did was click create video. Okay. Decide what type of video do you want to create? Do you want to actually add your own script? Do you want to create a short YouTube video? Do you want to create a YouTube explainer, recent events video? I'm going to do a YouTube explainer. Okay. So I'm able to create a video however long I want it to be. I'm going to say 15 seconds. Give it a topic. Anyone throw a topic in there and I'll add it. So you want to create a topic. Then you want to give it creative directions, um, I think I added, make sure the video is professional, make sure that you cover, marketing and sales and, things like that. You could choose the background music, you could choose the voice of the person. Last time I think I did a female, I'll do male here. Um, you can ask, it asks you what type of media do you want to use. I'm fine with using iStock. Okay, no one added anything. I'm gonna, what's a good topic? Best, okay, engaging topic. The popularity of brunch in Atlanta. I don't know. I'm just randomly thinking of stuff. Okay. Um, include, black businesses and popular restaurants. Um, make it fun. That's literally all you have to do using a male voice. Okay, I don't know this. That was a random topic, but okay, we'll give it a minute to create and we'll come back. But it's that simple. And you actually get great quality videos. That's what I love about it. And while it's thinking, I'll show you another tool. Oh, the Atlanta Brunch Buzz Black Owned Edition. Okay. See, it came up with that by itself. This is a video that I created using a tool called Kaiber.ai. Kaiber, very simple to use. It actually creates these great animated videos. You can give it different. I'll just show you the one I created. I think I put something like, does it let me edit it? Oh no. Okay, so I want to create a video of a woman dancing in the street. The style, and you can choose like different subject areas, or you can add your own. The style I chose, photo, high resolution, realistic, da da da, da. And that was it. And it literally probably took it about, I don't know, 5 minutes, and it created this video. Now you can add music to it, you can do all kinds of things, but yeah, I probably, could have changed the style of her clothing and, her hair, whatever. And it just creates these cool animated videos. Okay, let's go back and check on our video. Okay, so I think it's almost done. So it's asking me, to choose my audience: foodies, travelers, culture enthusiasts. I'm going to keep it at foodies. I want it to be bright, summer, pop. I'm going to keep it bright. Platform, I want to put it on Instagram. All right, continue. All right, so while it's doing that, I'm going to jump back into the presentation and we'll check back on our video in a minute. So that's nvideo.io. And I just showed you Kaiber. All right, so that's the 5 tools that I wanted to show you. I do want to show you this one. This is just a fun one that I stumbled upon for travel that I think is awesome. It's called Roam Around. I am obsessed with Dubai. No, I want to go to Ghana. So with Roam Around, you just type in your destination and your dates. I want to go. When do I want to go? I want to go in December. I want to go in December. Come on down. Okay, whatever. December 8th. Okay. All right. Enter that. Roam Around is roaming around, and it is creating my itinerary. Now, everyone that knows me knows I'm a planner. I like an itinerary. I like to know where I'm going, what we're doing. And yes, this app creates your itinerary. So it starts with, arriving in Accra. I'm going to visit the Cocoa Lounge. I'm going to visit the W.E. Du Bois Memorial Center. Okay, I didn't even know they had one of those there. That night, I'm going to go to the Sky Bar. They give you a link to find hotels, and they give you a complete travel itinerary. Now, it does have a chat bot. So if you're not, if you want to change this, like anything you want to do to prompt it to add more information, you can do that. But yeah, this is great. I need this in my life. Okay, let me go back to, oh, our video is done. Okay, all right. Are you all ready? Let's watch our video. Brunch in Atlanta. I want to play. Hey, I mean, with that little bit of information for it to come up with that, I mean, I probably could have added some, better images. Like they need more images of brunch in Atlanta. Like what's going on? But anyway, that's a great tool. It's super powerful, not very expensive, and you can create great quality marketing videos. So we are a little bit over, so I am going to end. Um, Thank you all for joining me. I really appreciate this. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found some new tools that you can play around with. Um, if you're interested in learning more about AI and different tools and tricks and things that can either help you with your business, help you just in your everyday life, um, definitely reach out to me. I'm actually putting together a list, basically a cheat sheet of AI tools and how it can help you. So if you're interested in getting that list, please DM me. If you're interested in talking about, how AI can help your business, how it can help you grow your revenues, how it can help you save time and, create brand awareness. There's so many great things out there. And so if you're interested in that, please contact me as well. We can book a consultation call. Here's my information. You can reach out to me on LinkedIn as well as Facebook. So that concludes our live training for today. Thank you, everyone. I do see, okay, I don't see any questions in here, so that is great. Does anyone have any questions before I end? All right. You're welcome. Oh, thank you for coming. Thanks, Mom. All right. Well, I'm going to go ahead and end. Like I said, this will be available for replay. If you are not a part of any of my groups on LinkedIn or Facebook, please join and you will get more great content like this. So I go live every Friday with some new topics. And yeah, thanks so much. Bye.